How to convert a Word document to PDF document for free. Hello everyone, and let's get started. On today's video, we will discuss two such ways by which we can convert the document to PDF. So first of all, open the document on your Word file and then tap on the file option which is on the top of the left side. After that, you have to click on Save As button. Once that is done, you can select the location where you want to save your file. Let us select desktop. Now what you have to do is on Save As type, click on the drop down menu and select PDF. Now you just have to click on Save and you will notice that it has been downloaded as a PDF and it will be opened directly. If you want to check it, as we had selected it as the desktop location, you can see that the file has been converted to the PDF document. This was one way to do so. For the next option, what you can do is open any of the browser and search for Google Docs. You can either paste your file here or open the Word file directly. After that, you just have to tap on the file option and click on download, and here is a way by which you can select the PDF document. So that's all for today. For more such content, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.